Hello guys, we are from Codezilla community. I am Surya, a technical member at Codezilla community. Today I am here to present about cyber security. Let's have a view which is playing very important role in the whole world, which acts as a key protection for all of us. Okay, I have some introduction. Some points are being here for you. Okay, let's go through it. The first thing is internet in India is rapidly growing. There are rapidly growing as we have a coin which has two sides. The internet is also been similarly having two sides of it. As we see, advantages are one side and disadvantages are being another side. As we use for advantages, we can gain for gaining more knowledge or sharing knowledge and doing for a purposefully purpose. And there are many disadvantages also as we are having advantages too. Been getting another's personal details and some other things illegally without their permission will lead to no disadvantages, and it's called as crime. So this crime is basically committed using a computer and internet to steal person's identity or illegal imports or malicious program. It's an activity done using computer and internet. So these kind of stuffs may lead may a day, be an, a data breach, and cybersecurity refers to, and the third point, the cybersecurity refers to technologies and processes designed to protect computers, networks, and data from unauthorized access, which means cybersecurity, which is actually prevents to access to give access for an unauthorized people or any anonymous person. It is through the say cybersecurity is important for network and data and application. The whole world must require this security, which they store much more database. The objective of database is establish rules and measure to use against attacks over the internet, as it will be the wall and which prevents all the bad attacks done on our database, preventing those kind of things. Okay, let's see what cyber security actually means. Okay, let's see. Cybersecurity refers to the body of technologies, processes, and practices which we are rapidly growing the usage of the modern gadgets like mobile phones and laptops and many other things. To protect those kind of things, we need a cybersecurity and prevent the database to be seen by another persons. We need a cybersecurity. Whole world is in need of this, and prevent the attack and damage or unauthorized access. It's an exactly definition of an cybersecurity. Okay, let's see some more points about the importance of the cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is important in different sectors like government, military, corporate, financial, and medical. In every aspect, which has a confidential database, which should be not be sent or seen by some other people, which will be in a data breach for, and it may loss for a person or a nation or for an organization. If for example, we can have a name, XYZ company is been there in so and so location. If the person tries to attack on it and get the database of the employees who are working over there, will be where he will be getting the details, and we could say the organization XYZ has been attacked by an some so and so person. So, and government, we also have many details linked with the government, as we are all having our identification as an Indian citizens. And military also, we have very confidential matters about the terrorists and many other things which is being secretly stored in it. Corporate and financial, as an example, we can say in a bank. So we can see many transactions and huge database is being stored in a bank database. And medical, we also have many medical health certificates which will be useful, and which collects our information which should not be shared with any other people. Okay, such organizations collect, uh, process, and store unprecedented amount of data on computers and other devices. A significant portion of that data can be sensitive information. As I said, it should not be shared and should not be seen by any other people due to some personal reasons, or it may be some other thing, whether that be intellectual property, financial detail, whether it may be recording to the property which belongs to you, or the financial, like amount which you have transferred, or some other things which you have stored amount in an account, or personal information, or other types of data which unauthorized access, sorry, or exposure could have negative consequences if the person tries to access our personal data or financial data or intellectual data property data. We would get some negative consequences. We could feel some insecure way to where we have to share save this kind of information, where it is safe. Cybersecurity describes the discipline dedicated to protecting that information and systems used to process to store it. And the cybersecurity actually does the role of protecting all these kind of information confidential, and every each and personal information of a person will be stored in a computer or in any other devices, will be protected using the cybersecurity, which acts as a key protection for these and all things, which does not give access to any unauthorized people or person. We have two categories. Okay, let's see. As we had about cyber crimes at starting, let's see what are the cyber crimes and types. Okay, cyber crimes. The computer as a target is the first one, and the second is the computer as a weapon. Okay, the computer as a target. Computer as a target is nothing but using a computer to attack another computer. Using your computer to attack any other computer and get their databases. It's been mainly targeted as an hacking or virus worms attacks. As we can get many other datas to be collected, and which may be personal or any other type of data which may lead in a negative consequences. Computer as a weapon. Okay, now let's see computer as a weapon to commit a real world crime. As we also know, uh, we are using these computers to operate many weapons in the world. As we could see in some movies, missions are being operated using these laptops, and also cyber terrorism, which means blackmailing other people using some of their data, and which for money or many other things, which is actually not in a proper manner, and it's very bad too. As we see, credit and fraud and many details of a person are being uploaded in the online. As we see, some people may use those things for their purposes, like transacting many money through an account without their permission. And it's been also using a computer as a weapon for destroying some other people, or making unprofitable for others, which is been as a weapon. If these kind of things, or it is also computer as a weapon is being also used for some good purposes, as a machine holder operating on a computer at sitting at one place, and during some wars, and we could use these kind of stuffs. If these database would go to another hand, to an unknown person, it would need a data breach. So it would be a very critical situation for a person whose data has been stolen by another person. So guys, in these kind of situations, cyber security is very important, and kindly or update all your applications which you are using currently, so that the security levels will be increased and you will be safe from the unknown attacks which will be going or will be happen. Let's be safe first of all. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed it. Join us at Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and so on. So subscribe, like, share, comment, please. Thank you, guys.